loves, welcome back to another video. If it looks like I just woke up, it's because I did. But let's get right into this tutorial. So all that you need is just going to be your basic comb and brush. I like to use oil anytime I'm doing a hairstyle or protective styling. I also need the Murray's Edge Wax. It's going to help lay it down. And if that doesn't work, we have the Got To Be glue. And I just went to my local beauty supply store and got one pack of hair for $5 in the color 4, and it was 26 inches. I'm going to start by using this oil to go through my hair and moisturize it. It also gives it a shine and it smells so good. You guys should try it. So I'm just prepping my hair to put it in the ponytail. I decided to go with a side part. And you can like go over your hair with a flat iron, but since my hair was already straightened, I don't want to add any more heat. So now I'm just gonna apply some of that Murray's Edge Hold. It works as a wax stick. Like you'll see when I put it on my hair, it kind of goes on white, but after you brush it out, the white goes away, and it just helps so that the hair is sleek and there's no flyaways. So I'm going to go in with this first. Then I'm going to use the Got To Be glue so I can give an extra hold to the hair and make sure that it's sleek. Okay, and for now, attaching the braid, you're just going to use that braiding hair, and I use the rubber band that had came with the hair already. You can use a hair tie or whatever you want. Basically, just pull it through so that it's in half like that. And then you're going to use that rubber band to attach it to your ponytail. And I just went over it a couple of times to make sure that the ponytail or the braiding hair was secure with my ponytail. So when you have it on and attached, I like to just bring the braiding hair over top of my hair so that it's hiding it like that. Put it over top. Then you're going to want to grab out a small piece that you're going to use later to wrap around the braid. And I just had to hold mine with my mouth. So now you're going to braid the hair as you braid any other hair. You're just going to divide it into 3 parts, your hair and the braiding hair. And then you're just going to try to tuck as much as possible so that your hair isn't sticking out. And you're just going to braid all the way down. Okay, so now we're going to move on to that piece that we set aside earlier. As you can see, I have a piece of my hair sticking out, but I'm going to show y'all how I deal with that later. So yeah, to the strand, I just take some of my got-to-be glue and I apply it to the strand just so that, you know, it stays secure. And so basically, I just add the got-to-be glue and then I start wrapping it around the braid, like where the ponytail begins. And I'm going to go like up and down along it. And if I feel like I need more got-to-be glue, I'm going to just add some more got-to-be glue until it's all the way wrapped around my hair. And yeah, now we're going to get that piece of hair that was sticking out. So as I use for everything in this video, we're going to use that got-to-be glue. And I'm just going to glue down that piece of hair so that it's not as noticeable and it's not sticking out as much. But yeah. So off camera, I went ahead and dipped my end into some hot water just so that I could seal the end and so that it wouldn't be unraveling. But yeah, I'm taking the scarf off, it's the finished look. The only thing with my edges, they always seem to like curl back up when I add product on it. So if anyone knows any edge control I could use so that it wouldn't curl back up, let me know, please. So here I am, I'm just posing, trying to get a thumbnail picture. But yeah, I really like how it came out for my first time. And I love the length. It's like right, yeah, right waist length. So yeah, it came out really cute. I might even add like some accessories or something to the braid just to, you know, spice it up a little bit. But yeah, this is it. And let me know if you guys try it. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next video.